I want to show you this multifunctional nose and eyebrow hair trimmer. It's compact, portable, waterproof, and provides painless hair removal with Type-C fast charging. You can use it to trim nose, ear, or eyebrow hair with precision. What I love about this trimmer is how easy and effective it is to use. It removes hair gently and without any discomfort. The waterproof design is a huge plus. Both the trimmer heads and the body can be rinsed under running water, making cleaning super simple. It features R-edge blades that are delicate on the skin, and the whole device is incredibly lightweight at only 1.6 ounces, with a length of just 5.9 inches. After just 60 minutes of charging, you get 60 minutes of cordless use. And the Type-C charging works with your computer, adapter, power bank, or even your car. Another great detail is that it runs very quietly, so it's perfect to use even early in the morning without waking anyone up. The on-off switch is responsive and the grip is comfortable, which makes it easier to control for more precise grooming. And to top it off, it comes with a handy storage bag for all the accessories, which makes it easy to carry around wherever you go.